The wedge unit is a type of conveyor design that has been in use for at least 40 years. It is used to elevate or lower a limited range of rigid products. A wedge can only handle rigid products because it grips products on their sides. The product must be rigid in order to withstand the gripping force required to hold the product securely as it moves up or down. This conveyor type is commonly used to transport cases that are formed on an upper level and must be moved down to a lower level. Span-Tech wedge units are available in two models, the Mini-Link for lightweight products and the Multi-Span for heavier products. Both models can transport products vertically up to 30 feet, and both can be equipped with an optional width adjustment feature. The Mini-Link wedge uses 2.36-inch wide Mini-Link chain, ideal for small products between 1 and 10 inches in height. It has a maximum speed of 130 feet per minute and can handle products up to 12 inches wide. The Multi-Span wedge uses multi-span chain in a range of widths from 6.13 inches to 10.85 inches, depending on product size. With the available variety of chain widths, the Multi-Span wedge can handle products up to 24 inches in height at speeds up to 180 feet per minute. The all-mechanical design does not require the use of logic components. Due to the characteristics of a vertical curve, it is necessary to pull a gap when products are being transported by a wedge. As products move through the curve sections, there must be enough clearance to allow adjacent items to travel through the curve without touching.